Hello friends! Today, we're going to hear a wonderful story about a little elephant named Ella. Ella is kind and smart, but she doesn't always believe in herself. Let's see how Ella learns to be brave. It was a bright, sunny day in the jungle. The birds were singing, and the tall trees swayed gently in the warm breeze. Near a sparkling river, a small elephant named Ella sat quietly under a tree, lost in her thoughts. Ella was a kind and thoughtful elephant, but deep down, she didn't always feel as special as her friends. She watched as Leo, a young lion cub, zoomed past her, kicking up dust as he ran. Leo was fast, maybe the fastest in the whole jungle. And then there was Gigi, the giraffe. She stood tall and graceful, effortlessly reaching up to nibble on the leaves of the tallest trees. Ella sighed, feeling a little sad. I'm not as strong as the others, Ella thought to herself, her trunk gently brushing the ground. I can't run as fast as Leo, and I'm not as tall as Gigi. Why should I even try? She